A business analyst, BA, is a professional who plays a crucial role in an organization by serving as a bridge between business stakeholders and technology or project teams. The primary responsibility of a business analyst is to identify business needs, analyze processes and systems, and facilitate solutions to address those needs. They work in a variety of industries, including information technology, finance, healthcare, and more. Here are some key aspects of a business analyst's role. Requirements analysis. Business analysts are responsible for gathering, documenting, and analyzing business requirements. They work closely with stakeholders to understand their needs, objectives, and constraints. Problem solving. BAs are problem solvers. They identify business challenges and opportunities, and they help develop solutions that may involve process improvements, system enhancements, or entirely new projects. Communication. Effective communication is essential for business analysts. They need to convey technical information to non-technical stakeholders and vice versa. This includes creating clear and comprehensive documentation, such as business requirements, use cases, and system specifications. Stakeholder engagement. BAs work with various stakeholders, including business managers, end users, IT teams, and project managers. They facilitate discussions, gather input, and ensure that the interests of all parties are considered in the solution. Modeling and analysis. Business analysts use various techniques and tools to model business processes, data, and systems. They perform data analysis, workflow analysis, and impact assessments to support decision-making. Solution evaluation. After a solution is implemented, BAs may participate in evaluating its effectiveness, measuring key performance indicators, KPIs, and making adjustments as necessary. Project management. In some cases, BAs may take on project management responsibilities, especially in smaller projects or when they have expertise in project management methodologies. Domain knowledge. Depending on the industry and the nature of the projects they work on, business analysts often develop domain expertise. For example, a BA in the healthcare industry would need knowledge of healthcare processes and regulations. Technology proficiency. While BAs are not typically responsible for coding or technical implementation, they need to have a good understanding of technology and systems to effectively communicate with IT teams and understand technical constraints and possibilities. Continuous learning. The field of business analysis is dynamic, and BAs are expected to stay current with industry trends, tools, and methodologies. Business analysts are instrumental in ensuring that projects are aligned with business goals, requirements are clearly defined, and solutions are delivered on time and within budget. They help organizations make informed decisions, optimize processes, and adapt to changing business needs. The role of a business analyst can vary from one organization to another, but their core function remains consistent: to bridge the gap between business needs and technological solutions. Let's consider a simple example of a business analyst, BA, in the context of a retail business. Scenario. A small retail store is experiencing declining sales and wants to understand the reasons behind the drop in revenue and come up with strategies to improve the situation. They hire a business analyst to help with this. Role of the business analyst. Problem identification. The business analyst starts by analyzing the problem. They review sales data, interview store managers and employees, and observe customer behavior. It becomes clear that the store's sales have been declining steadily over the past year. Requirement gathering. The BA gathers requirements by discussing the problem with the store owner, managers, and employees. They ask questions about specific challenges, any changes in customer preferences, and the store's operations. Data analysis. The BA analyzes sales data to identify trends and patterns. They notice that sales have declined primarily in the afternoon and evening hours. This prompts further investigation. Process analysis. The BA examines the store's internal processes, such as inventory management, employee schedules, and marketing efforts. They discover that the store has not been restocking popular items promptly, and staff scheduling doesn't align with peak shopping hours. Stakeholder interviews. The BA conducts interviews with employees and customers to gather insights. Employees express concerns about inefficiencies in restocking, and customers complain about a lack of product availability during peak hours. Solution proposal. Based on their analysis, the BA proposes a set of recommendations to address the issues. These include improving inventory management by implementing automated restocking alerts, adjusting employee schedules to match customer traffic patterns, and running targeted marketing campaigns during off-peak hours to attract more customers. Business case. The BA creates a business case that outlines the expected benefits and costs of implementing the proposed solutions. This helps the store owner make an informed decision. Implementation plan. The BA collaborates with the store's management to create an implementation plan. They specify the steps required to carry out the proposed changes, assign responsibilities, and set timelines. Monitoring and evaluation. After the changes are implemented, the BA monitors the store's performance, analyzing sales data, and collecting feedback from employees and customers. They evaluate whether the implemented solutions have had a positive impact. Continuous improvement. The BA continues to work with the store to make adjustments and improvements based on ongoing analysis and feedback. This iterative process helps the store adapt to changing customer preferences and market conditions. In this example, the business analyst played a crucial role in identifying the problem, gathering requirements, analyzing data, and proposing solutions to address declining sales. Their work resulted in actionable recommendations that, when implemented, helped the retail store improve its performance and adapt to changing market conditions. Does business analyst do coding? Business analysts, BAs, typically do not perform coding as part of their primary responsibilities. Their role is more focused on bridging the gap between business needs and technical solutions. While BAs have a good understanding of technology and may work closely with IT teams and developers, their primary functions revolve around business analysis, requirements gathering, and communication. Here are some key points to consider. Requirements gathering. BAs are responsible for eliciting, documenting, and managing business requirements. They work with stakeholders to understand what the business needs and translate those needs into clear, understandable requirements. These requirements serve as the basis for technical teams to design and build solutions. Communication. BAs act as intermediaries between business stakeholders and technical teams. They need strong communication skills to effectively convey business requirements, constraints, and objectives to developers and other team members. Analysis. BAs use analytical skills to examine business processes, data, and systems. They identify problems, opportunities, and potential solutions. They also create models, diagrams, and documentation to help stakeholders and technical teams understand the business context. Quality assurance. BAs are often involved in quality assurance and testing activities. They help define test cases, validate that the delivered solutions meet the specified requirements, and ensure that the final product aligns with the business goals. Project management. In some cases, BAs may take on project management responsibilities related to business analysis and requirements gathering. They may help plan and manage project activities to ensure they stay on track. While BAs don't typically write code, their work is closely intertwined with software development and other technical processes. They need to have a working knowledge of technical concepts and terminology to effectively collaborate with development teams. This knowledge helps them communicate effectively, understand technical constraints, and ensure that the final solutions align with the business needs and requirements. In some cases, BAs with a technical background or a strong interest in programming may choose to transition into roles that involve coding or become hybrid professionals who combine business analysis with some programming tasks. However, this is not a standard expectation of a traditional business analyst role.